That was very easy to take out the skin, and I've mashed it with a fork so gently, hardly any effort. So then I've got a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of mixed spice, and a pinch of cloves. I'm going to mash that together and then start whisking the eggs. To go alongside the pancakes, I've got some spiced apple. So it's 1 small cooking apple, and that's simmering away with a tablespoon of sukrin gold, some lemon juice and water, and just going to let that simmer away until it softens down, and that's going to be the side to our pancakes. Okay, so 2 eggs are in. Going to just bring that together as a nice batter, and if by any chance it is a bit wet, I'm going to add a little bit of oat bran. So I just went into the fridge and noticed I got some salad carrot to use up, so I thought, why not throw it in? This is how I usually go with my recipes. I'll find something I like and oh, that might go as well, and I'll just throw it in. So at this point, I think you could add oats and then cook it in a waffle iron, or baking powder, and add some oat bran, and you could turn it into a cake. But I'm going to continue down the pancake route with these. It's such an adaptable recipe. I'm going to cook it on a low heat and see how it goes. So I heated up the pan, and I've got 3 cooking in there, 1 in a form and 2 free form, just to see how they turn out. Okay, so my apple's cooking. I've just thrown in a handful of seedless grapes. I think it needs a bit more water into that. I'm going to leave that to simmer down. It's on quite low, and the pancakes are on low as well. Let's give that a stir. I'm going to leave those cooking, not going to flip them so I can see that they're kind of cooked around the edges. So let's see how that goes. I've just flipped, this is the one that was in the form, and that came out really easily, and it's flipped over. That's cooked beautifully. They're really very soft and fluffy. I think I've overcooked those 2 a little bit. I'm not going to worry about it, it's an experiment, and I'm sure they'll taste great. So that's nearly done. I've got some batter left, so I reckon that 1 sweet potato and 2 eggs will make at least another 3, so 6. Okay, so I've plated it up and just going to pop over the last of the toasted fennel seeds and almonds. No yogurt today because I've run out. There you go. Now that might look a very large portion. Some of you might not be able to eat that, but I know I can. And I want to, I'm hungry. So, but you know, I will stop if I get too full. So in there, it's 1 cooking apple, a handful of grapes, 1 sweet potato, medium size, and 2 eggs, and all the flavourings that you can see going on there. And I found this not so long ago in Aldi, and I've put a little sprinkle of that over the top. So I've only used maybe, gosh, 2 grams, hardly anything, just a little bit. So I'm not going to worry about that. So there is my gorgeous, gorgeous sweet potato breakfast.